Say hello to Tabby. In this video, Tabby is going to explain how powder characteristics impact different tablet features. It affects how tablets look, feel, and perform. When bulk density varies between batches or when switching lots, weight and hardness can change, even though thickness stays the same at constant roll positions on the tablet press. Let's cover how powder characteristics impact weight and hardness. The inverse relationship is that for a fixed thickness, higher bulk density means a harder tablet, as the same mass packs into the fixed volume. If your bulk density is lower, you get a softer tablet. Imagine a target weight of 500 milligrams on a 10 millimeter punch and a fixed thickness of 5.31 millimeters. Batch A, with a compressed density of 1.2 grams per centimeters cubed, results in the specific target weight and hardness desired. Batch B, made from a new lot with a higher compressed density of 1.3 grams per centimeters cubed, maintains the same 5.31 millimeter thickness, but exhibits increased weight and hardness due to the density difference. So what causes these variations? There are a few reasons, such as bulk powder density, poor powder flow, measured by particle size distribution, segregation, and a high Car index, leads to uneven die filling, altering compression, weight, and breaking force. If compression settings change in force or dwell time, the time punches hold maximum pressure. This can also impact how tightly powder compacts. Incorrect dosing height or using the wrong fill cam can lead to overblending, impacting the particle size distribution, resulting in variations in die filling and compression. Additionally, overblending can cause low hardness, capping, and dissolution issues. Tooling wear can also lead to variations in thickness, worn punches and dies, changing the tablet's effective volume, impacting density, and causing defects. These variations can lead to serious issues and struggles when trying to manufacture a quality tablet. Consistency is key when considering patient compliance. The correct dose and hardness must be met to achieve the correct dissolution and drug load intended for your product. When considering regulatory risks, tablets that fall outside of target specifications are rejected, delaying production and wasted product. Unexpected changes in tablet characteristics can cause many other tableting defects, such as capping, sticking, picking, and friability, leading to significant time spent on symptoms and not the root cause. So, how do we predict these problems before they occur? Enter TaBlitz, the all-in-one platform revolutionizing tablet design with AI, digitalization, and collaboration. TaBlitz formulation analysis can predict and identify powder performance issues from early stages through scale-up. Guided mode then predicts optimized shapes and sizes, adjusting for powder variations before production starts. Our A/B comparison tool analyzes powder properties, like particle size distribution, compression variations, and pre-compression powder characteristics across any supplier or batch, spotting variability early to prevent surprises. TaBlitz AI engine predicts and suggests adjustments such as compression force, selected fill cam, and dosing height to maintain target weight and hardness, removing trial and error. Taking this one step further, our in-app sharing connects R&D and production teams, ensuring everyone's aligned when changes must be considered, avoiding miscommunication that leads to defects. With tablets, you're not just reacting to variability, you're predicting and preventing it. For example, if a new lot produces different powder characteristics, TaBlitz identifies and outputs and the adjusted settings required, keeping your tablets on spec and your production on track. Imagine switching to a new lot that would result in different weight and hardness at the press and have potential defects. Here's how you stay in control. Use TaBlitz to evaluate and digest your powder characteristics, helping you to identify risks during R&D or between batches. To fulfill this data, TaBlitz requires key parameters defined by United States Pharmacopeia Chapter 1062. Using normalized outputs from USP, TaBlitz can predict and suggest adjustments to sustain tablet quality attributes. From here, you can share the updates with production and others via in-app sharing, ensuring seamless execution. The result? Uniform tablets that look great, perform reliably, ready for manufacturing, and patient-centric, all while saving time and costs. Ready to master tablet design? TaBlitz is your partner in precision, helping you design tablets that are consistent, patient-friendly, and production-ready.